All right, so I'm finishing up the caddy now. Somebody said there was overspray on this side. I wasn't finished, dude. So the damage on that corner down there, I got the overspray off. I wasn't finished with the job. I need to just wet sand that and put some clear on it. And then we're finished on the other side. So I'm guessing it was hit before and repainted. I'm gonna show you what I think here. So you'll see the bumpers out here. This is all fixed up. All right. Over here, not sure. I've never really seen factory paint on a vehicle do this, but then again I have, and nothing surprises me. So I'm wondering if this was hit before and repainted, because it doesn't. You can see the bumper cover fits great here, or not great, but it fits good. And then this is chipped away underneath of there, and it looks like there's either foam or painter's tape underneath of here. I don't know, maybe it's from detailing it or washing it. I'm not gonna fuck with it because I don't want to be, I'm not gonna mess with it. So that's that.